Hello, my name is Roman Stigler. I'm the sales lead in the Frequentis UTM team. Today, I would like to tell you more about accelerated drone management. Accelerated drone management enables the safe and efficient integration of drones into the airspace. Accelerated drone management is based on three main pillars, being the converging airspace management, simplifying drone usage in all domains, and value-added services. The Frequentis UTM Suite is an ATM-graded UTM solution. It covers three main components, being the UTM Operation Manager, that's the front end, the application for the operator to plan missions, to receive alerts, to get approvals. It's the UTM Airspace Manager for the air traffic controller to get an airspace overview and also to approve or reject flights. And in the middle, it's the backend services, the UTM core services, existing of a common information service platform and the UTM or Airspace services. Frequentis UTM Suite offers value-added services, which are contributed by our partner ecosystem. One partner is Dimetor, and Dimetor provided us with a real-time GNSS spoofing and jamming detection. Those areas are then shown on our UTM front ends.